Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay in Germany. Apple Pay provides a simple and secure method for making payments across various platforms. You can use it in physical stores, within applications, and for online purchases. It's integrated directly into your Apple devices, making transactions quick and easy. Many major German banks and financial institutions support Apple Pay, allowing you to easily add your existing credit or debit cards for seamless transactions. Setting up Apple Pay is straightforward and takes just a few moments. First, open the Wallet app on your iPhone and tap the plus symbol in the upper right corner. Then, you can either scan your credit or debit card with your camera or enter the details manually. Your bank will then verify the card, often through a one-time passcode sent via text or a quick phone call. Once verified, your card is ready for use. Making payments with Apple Pay is incredibly simple. When paying in a store, just double-click the side button on your iPhone or Apple Watch and hold it near the contactless payment terminal. You'll then authenticate the purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. For online shopping or in-app purchases, simply select Apple Pay as your payment method at checkout for a fast and secure experience. Apple Pay offers significant benefits, primarily enhanced security and convenience. Your actual card number is never stored on your device or shared with merchants, protecting your financial information. It's incredibly convenient, letting you leave your wallet at home and pay with just your Apple device. Always look for the contactless payment symbol or the Apple Pay logo at checkout to ensure acceptance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.